Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nihama. In this video, I will show you 5 simple steps that you need to follow when you're planning to come to Canada as a physiotherapist. Watch the part 1 of this video on my YouTube channel. Now the fourth step is whether to take a college degree or a university degree, whether to go to a master program or into a college diploma course. So let's discuss that. Master program, it's very competitive and it has slightly more reputation than college for sure, but if your target is to become a physiotherapist, you don't need a master program, you just need a BPT that you have already done in India. So what you can do is try and get into a program that will help you to practice or to make money. Meanwhile, when you're preparing for exam or in unfortunate scenario when you're not able to clear the exam, let's say that degree will still give you a good field to get into. It is less costly than the master program in a university. Also, it is easier to clear and easier to pass than into a master program, which will require your effort and time as well, more than what a college degree would. The pay after you graduate would be same being a physiotherapist from a master program or a college degree, unless you want to get into academics like professor, teaching, those kind of job, or into a research field. Your master degree will be more valuable than just bachelor degree or the additional diploma course. You require less IELTS score in college versus in a master program into a university where you will be required somewhere around 7.5 to 8 depending on the university. Again, I'm not discouraging anybody to go into master program. It's your personal choice and this is my personal opinion, so we can respect each other's and just move on. If you want to do masters, it's perfectly your decision and it's great. So because you will be paying 20 to 30 lakh on your college degree, make sure you get into a program that is reputed and that can give you good money after you graduate. In addition, which college and university to go into, that depends on the neighborhood of the college or university. I would say follow the college page on Facebook, follow the group of the students who are studying there, reach out to them on Instagram, use this social media platform, ask them your question. If they are studying there, they are the best people to let you know like whether you should be going there or not. But again, if your college or university is in a good city with in good neighborhood and the transport system, so whether you will be able to transport using public transport around your job to work or from your house to your college, so that commute, make sure you have good transportation to the city that you are planning to go to. And the fifth step is to apply to the college or university with the help of agent or not. It depends purely on your decision, but using an agent or applying through an agent is a good way to get the process done, and also they apply your visa, so you don't have to worry about that. Just find a good agent that gives you or that takes you to where you want to go and not what they want you to do. So that's a very fine line. Make sure you have a good person that you can trust and helps you in your journey. Also, applying to CAPR, which I would highly recommend you to do as soon as you have decided that you are coming. Apply for the credentialing process. In this screen, you would be able to see somewhere around here my credentialing video that will take you to the whole process that you need to do. Remember, to be able to give a PCE, all you need is your bachelor program. Don't worry about finishing the course that you will be taking here in Canada, because for the credentialing, you just need the bachelor's. So to give PCE, you have to finish the credentialing process first. That you can do in India as well without even paying 1014 Canadian dollar, that is the credentialing fee. However, the process or to assess the document, CAPR will start only when you pay them the credentialing fee and send them the document. In a brief, short summary, I would say the Form D goes through your college. the transcript goes through your university, and the form ABC along with the payment goes from your side to CAPR. They will hold off to the documents for up to 2 years. You have to pay the fees before the 2 year finishes. Now let's say you have started your credentialing process as well in India and you still have some time on you, then go for the PC prep. Try to get the preparation done in your home country, in the comfort of your home, where your mom is cooking for you and you just have to study and work. Because when you are here, you will be doing all of those tasks on your own. You will be working, you will be studying, you will be cooking, you will do the laundry and everything. And I've seen even myself, when I was starting my preparation, it took me lot of time and effort to not go to work. Like, it's very hard to say no to work when you have your fixed expenses that you really need to earn that much and cover all your expenses on your own. So you will be delaying that process of preparing for PCE once you are here because you won't have enough time. So that's the final step. 6 is preparation for PCE. You can see my video in the description box below, or also I will tag somewhere here. You can directly click on it and we'll get you to the link. Will get you to the video and watch the process of PCE and what's my journey is, how I came to Canada, how I prepared for PCE. You will be able to see everything in that PCE detail video. So again, if I can go back into my flashback, I really would have appreciated somebody telling me to do my credentialing from my home country and do my preparation before even I came to Canada. Now you have remote proctoring, which is you can give the PCE in your home country as well, even before coming to Canada. If that's not something you would be able to do, or let's say you don't have that strong finances right now or commitment to make, then just do the preparation, come to Canada, and then appear for the very next available date that you get for the exam. Remember, when you will be coming here, you will be doing different sorts of part-time job to be able to cover your expenses. But initially, in that 1 year, you will have your GIC, which is the investment that you did before coming to Canada. They will pay you some amount which is enough to survive, and just focus on your study, give the exam once you come here, and then start working as a physiotherapist. You will make almost double of what you would be making doing all those restaurant job or the hard job that most of us do. Alright, that brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.